Hello and welcome back to Twisty Cuisine. French fries is the world famous fast food dish. Everyone loves it and people modify it a lot according to their taste. So today we're sharing our favorite fries recipe which we eat almost every week. Let's get started. For this we would need one large potato, thickness is important for the perfection of fries. Make sure when you slice the fries, it should be around this thick. Now wash the potatoes with very cold water until the water that we are washing with comes out clear. Now heat up some oil for frying. Make sure the oil we have is enough to submerge the fries. Now we will move on to the masala. Take 1 tablespoon of Chat Masala, which you can find at any Indo-Pak grocery store. Add half teaspoon of chicken powder or 1/4 teaspoon of vegetable seasoning. Give it a quick mix and set aside. And now we will move on to the fry seasoning. In a big mixing bowl, add the washed fries. Add half teaspoon of salt, 3 teaspoon of corn flour, 1 teaspoon of red chili powder, mix the seasonings properly with the potatoes. Now add the fries gradually into the heated oil. We want to take out the fries when it starts to become golden brown. It's time to add more flavor to our crunchy fries. Add the seasoning that we have prepared earlier. Mix them well to season every single fry. We're adding a little bit more of the seasoning. You can hear the satisfying crunchiness of these fries. Our extreme masala fries are ready to be served. Try this hot so you can enjoy the spices in every single bite. Let us know what you think about this recipe. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up, and if you have not yet subscribed to our channel, please do so and hit that bell icon so you can receive our next videos as soon as we upload them. Thank you and goodbye.